Hi everyone, thank you for watching. In this video, I am going to be unboxing the FabFitFun Fall Box for 2018. I already received it. I am so super excited. I actually stopped my subscription a couple months ago just because I liked what I was getting, especially the last box. My gosh, the value in that box was like almost $400. It was insane, but with every single season I was getting all these products and just not being able to use all of them. So I feel like after I took a break of a few months, it was time to renew my subscription. So I'm so excited. I haven't watched any unboxings for their fall box for this year, so I have no idea what I'm getting. However, I have been able to pick some of the add-ons. I was able to choose, I think about 4, I'm not sure, I think it was like 4 or 5 add-ons in the box. So I do know some of the items that I selected, but everything else is going to be a surprise. I am wearing more of a fall colored top. It's this bodysuit that I got. This is not my favorite color at all. I don't even know why I bought this, but I'm glad I did because now I could wear this fall color for this video. Look, see, I am matching the fall colors on this box. Box is huge. I can't believe it. Let's take a look inside. Here we go inside. Inside is a little magazine. They usually have all the products listed in here, their prices, information about the brands that have products in the box as well. And then on the front here is Christina Applegate. Love her. So the first thing here are just see 2 little pamphlet cards, 2 little cards. This is from FabFitFun, and then this one here is Luna Rika, Life's Richer with Rika. Enjoy $3 off 1 box of Luna bars on Amazon. 3 Luna FFF. Everything is nicely packaged. Let's break her open. Yay, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, look. Okay, so cool. I took a break from these subscriptions, but man, oh man, it's exciting to open up. It's like Christmas. All right, so this one I'm going to show you right here. This is from Alfred's Tea Room. I actually went to Alfred's Tea Room in Beverly Hills for the first time. I went to a beauty event for Nubyen Beauty, and it was so exciting. Their coffee shop for Alfred was so cute. It's a lot smaller than I expected, but it's still super cute. This is a French press coffee maker, and if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I am coffee queen. I love me some coffee, but I have been addicted to cold brew coffee in the last year, so I was a little hesitant on getting this French press instead of the cute little teapot, but I already have a lot of cute little teapots, especially from Teavana, so I didn't want to load up on something that I'm probably not going to use that much. Here we go. Oh, look at that, and it says, "But first coffee," and then the Alfred's Tea Room logo. This is so cool. I think it's pretty easy to use. The instructions are on the box. Be sure to follow me on Instagram if you don't already, so you can see me put this to use and post some pictures with it. The next thing I see here are some Cobra wireless earbuds. So I have Bluetooth, they're Bose headphones. I'm always losing them. I have no idea which purse I put it in, what pocket I put it in. I've been wanting to buy some spare ones so I could have it just in case I lose those. I always find them anyways, but these are great because they are just like the Bose ones that I have. They're wireless, so I can just wear them around my neck and then in my ears when I'm cleaning the house or cooking is when I like to listen to either music or other YouTube videos. So excited that I got another pair of wireless earbuds. So now I don't have to go to the store or look on Amazon to get an extra pair. All right, next is this Skin & Company Roma Blue in Capri Shower Gel. It has notes of alpine rose, sage, wild basil, and autumn blossom. This is part of their Italian collection. Let me smell it here. It smells so good. It smells herby, very clean. My husband and I actually went to Capri, Italy for our honeymoon, and we absolutely loved it. It was so beautiful. So it's really cool to see something like this come from Capri. I'm going to show my husband. All right, next up is this Pharmacy Do It All. This is a total eye cream with Echinacea Green Envy. It's a powerfully moisturizing eye cream to help minimize signs of aging, stress, and fatigue. Awesome. This one is free from all the bad stuff, and it's not tested on animals, so that is really good. It's got a very light, like mint green tint to it. It doesn't smell like anything. Oh, it's gonna feel really good under the eyes. Oh, look at this. It's the original Beauty Blender. This is a lot lighter. It's kind of like a soft pink color. The ones I have are just like the regular hot pink, and I already know I love the Beauty Blender, so this is really great to get because these are like $20 already, and you can't have enough Beauty Blenders in my opinion. All right, so next up is this Grown Alchemist Polishing Facial Exfoliant Pink Grapefruit Glucosamine Extract, and this is by Botanical Beauty. A gentle skin polishing exfoliant ingredient to formulate it for daily use to gently, it says delaminate, I've never heard of that word, dry and dead skin cells and stimulate cell regeneration. Facial skin is left looking radiant, calm, and smooth. Okay, so yeah, it's like gentle exfoliating. It's more of like a cream-based product, but there's little tiny like micro beads to help exfoliate your skin. It feels really good though. Next up, oh, look at these. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay, so there's 2 GlamGlow Bubble sheets. I've never used a bubble mask before. I actually have a tub of this bubble mask that I'm actually afraid to use, but I saw it on Amazon. I bought it and I've never used it, but I love GlamGlow products, and this is a bubble sheet oxygenating deep cleanse mask. You unfold the mask, you dampen your face, put it on your face, and then the oxygenating microbubbles will start to form within 60 seconds. You leave it on for 3 minutes. You remove the mask and gently massage your face with the remaining cleansing bubbles, and then rinse clean with water. Now, this sounds too fun. I'm gonna have to do this on video because it will be really, really cool to see it bubble up. Next is this simply whimsical homemade pretty towel. Homemade? That's lovely. Oh my gosh, look at this. What is this? Oh, it's for your kitchen. Oh my gosh, this is so pretty. Look at this print. Okay, so if you haven't been following my videos, or if you're new to my channel, we bought a new house. We closed escrow in a couple of weeks, mid-September, and we are going to be changing up our whole decor for our house, really going for like that modern, bright, white, little pops of black, and then pops of color with a lot of silver. This is going to go really, really beautifully in our kitchen. I love the design on it, and this is definitely something that I would pick for myself if I were shopping out for towels. What is this? Oh my gosh. Oh, I know what this is. This is one of the add-ons that I picked. This is a bag. Oh, it's so pretty too. Okay. Oh, look, and it's a Vince Camuto. I don't know if I knew that, but I have shoes by Vince Camuto, and I love, love, love their shoes. I actually have, my wedding shoes are by Vince Camuto. They're really, really pretty. Oh, look at this bag. It's gorgeous. I had the option of getting black, I think black with the brown stripe, and this just spoke to me. For some reason, I preferred this over the black bag. It's giant, which I love. This is so, so pretty. And lastly, I have the Luna Rica bar, the card that was in there earlier, and this is cashew butter filled with fruit and nuts. Should I try it? Okay, this is salted caramel nut. That's really good. Gluten-free, non-GMO. And we love cashew nut butter in our house. So that is it for this video. I went through all of the items in my FabFitFun box. Please let me know if you have any questions, and also leave a comment down below if you can. Your comments are going to be featured in my very next video. Also give it a thumbs up if you liked it, and I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye!